So our extrusion mandrel has passed final inspection. We'll be passing it off to our extrusion specialists. These guys and women that work over here are kind of wizards. You know the struggles we have working with metal, trying to hold tolerances. These people are working with plastic, so it's much more difficult. So the way we have our extrusion set up is one side is, this is where we do all the extrusion. We have some injection molding here. This is in a white room environment. Then we have it separated with a hallway. This is our packaging, inspection, secondary operations. So here we have our extruder. The plastic resin is fed through this hopper, goes in through a feed section. We have this heated barrel here. Inside of this is a screw that the resin gets fed through, different heat zones that they can control, melts the plastic down. It's fed into this crosshead, and inside of that is the mandrel created. So it's a little difficult to see, but those holes that we burned in, we have stainless steel hypo tubes now, so that is going to create the smaller holes in the tube, or lumens as we refer to them. Once we get this fired up, the plastic will be coming out of there. It's fed into a cooling trough. We manufacture these cooling troughs in our fabrication department, so we build all that equipment here. Comes down through, this is a laser micrometer that is hooked up to a computer so the operator can monitor the size of the tube and track all dye into that head now. So again, as you can see, those tubes that are placed in the hole of the mandrel, we have a dye over the outside of it now, so hopefully you can start to visualize a little bit now how we're going to make a tube with. Alright, so we're starting to get that resin feeding through the head now, so the operator is going to have to actually grab onto that hot plastic with his fingers and get it threaded up through this tank. So we'll be getting that strung up, and we'll show you that process in a second. The extrusion department, we made a change to the tool. I really can't tell you what we did. It's our process engineers over on this side, the wizards that I referred to. We suggested a couple of changes to the tool to help it run a little better. That's one of our strengths here at Hitachi Cable. We have the extrusion department and the tool room. They have instant access to us. So when they want to make changes, it's just a simple phone call or email, and I'm over here to see what they want to do. Go upstairs, back to SolidWorks, make a couple changes, and into the tool shop. It was we were on the wire EDM. So the shape of this is starting to come out a little bit better. I know this is really hard to get in focus with the camera, but it's so small. But you can see those lumens are coming out much more round now. So that was the changes he wanted. We're helping that. So he's making a couple more tweaks, and he'll have this tube ready to go. From there, it will go into our secondary operations department. There's a couple operations involved with this tube. So